Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. This TV comes with the fault no display issue due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. It's a single core Samsung panel with SM4186 DC to DC IC. Here actually due to internal shorting, the DC to DC IC goes to protection mode. Because of that, it doesn't generate any basic panel voltages. So here we removed the gate signal shorting by cutting down the gate signal tracks. See friends, this is just a temporary solution, but here actually after cutting down the gate signal tracks, you can see the picture comes, but the picture is not clear. The picture comes along with vertical lines and white shading picture. Here you can see the gate signals are cut down from the right side. So to repair and remove the vertical lines and white shading picture, there is a small modification we need to do. You can see this is the SM4186 DC to DC IC. To repair this panel, now the shorting is removed, but here you can see the picture is not clear because of vertical lines and white shading picture. So to solve that, we need to increase the VGH voltage. For that, there is a small modification here we done. See friends, from this coil, see friends, from this coil, here we bypassed it to the VGH voltage through a 15K resistor. See friends, using a 15K resistor, here we bypass the VGH voltage to this coil. See friends, here we using a 15K resistor for bypassing the VGH voltage to this coil. By this modification, the VGH voltage is increased up to 37 volt. Now in this condition, let us turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the TV is released from the standby. Now let us check the picture. See friends, here you can see the result. Now there is no white shading picture or any type of vertical lines or any vertical bars on the display. Now the display is crystal clear and the problem is solved. Remember that this is just only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is panel replacement, and we cannot predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on luck basis. You can see the difference. See, after this small modification, now the display is crystal clear and the problem is solved successfully. See, using a 15K resistor, here we bypass VGH voltage to this coil for solving this white shaded picture along with thick vertical lines and vertical bar.